DJI is quietly gearing up to shake up the sub-250-gram drone market in a way that could change the game for both beginners and advanced drone enthusiasts. Recent leaks have revealed two intriguing new models, the DJI Leo X1 and the DJI Leo X1. Unlike the company's typical flashy launches, these drones have surfaced through FCC filings, a signal that they're much more than just rumors. They are on the verge of becoming real products. But what's more compelling is that these drones aren't simply incremental updates. They appear to represent a significant evolution in DJI's approach to entry-level and creator-focused drones. The DJI Leo X1 seems poised to serve as a spiritual successor to the 2024 DJI Mini 4K, though it isn't a straightforward Mini 5. DJI has a history of quietly updating beginner drones without adhering to the previous naming conventions, and the Leo X1 fits that pattern. Rather than aiming to impress professionals with groundbreaking tech, its focus is on refinement and accessibility. Everything about this drone suggests simplicity, reliability, and ease of use, making it ideal for first-time pilots, casual users, or anyone who wants a stress-free flying experience without having to navigate complex menus or manual controls. By positioning the Leo X1 in the same space as the Mini 4K, DJI can modernize its entry-level offering while retaining the audience it has cultivated over the years. It's lightweight, approachable, and designed to make flying enjoyable and safe, familiar in its purpose, but with fresh enhancements under the hood. The story becomes even more intriguing with the DJI Leo X1, which occupies a higher tier and begins to encroach on territory traditionally held by the Mini Pro series. According to the leaks, the Leo X1 isn't meant to replace the Mini Pro line but to exist alongside it, creating a parallel track for advanced users. This dual-path strategy is clever. The Mini Pro can continue to evolve in predictable, reliable ways, catering to users who value a proven and premium experience, while the Leo X1 becomes DJI's experimental playground. For creators who prioritize innovation, automation, and cutting-edge features over traditional professional checklists, the Leo X1 could effectively serve as a Mini Pro replacement, offering a glimpse of what lightweight drones might look like in the future. FCC filings indicate that both drones are actively in development, with the Leo X1 appearing as early as November 2025 and the Leo X1 following in mid-December. DJI doesn't file products that aren't headed toward launch, so this strongly suggests that both models are on track to hit the market. But what really sparks excitement is the rumored feature set of the Leo X1, which, if accurate, could redefine expectations for sub-250-gram drones. Leaks suggest it may offer full 360-degree obstacle avoidance using fisheye optics, long-range sensors reaching approximately 10 meters, infrared altitude sensing, and DJI's signature transmission system with a claimed range of over 20 kilometers. There are also whispers of advanced autonomous flight modes, voice control commands like "Hey, fly," motion-based controls, and even a front-facing display with LED indicators. Flight time rumors are equally bold, with estimates of around 30 minutes while staying under 250 grams, and close to 50 minutes with an optional heavier battery. Internal storage is speculated to reach roughly 42 gigabytes, complemented by a micro SD card slot for expansion. If even a portion of these features proves true, the Leo X1 wouldn't just compete with Mini Pro drones. It could completely reshape what enthusiasts expect from lightweight, high-performance drones. This potential for experimentation is historically when DJI delivers its most fascinating products. By exploring these new features in a lightweight, sub-250-gram package, DJI is signaling that it's willing to push boundaries without risking the core reputation of its established Mini Pro line. It's an approach that offers both security and creativity. The Mini Pro series evolves steadily and predictably, while the Leo X1 tests the limits, appealing to adventurous creators and tech enthusiasts alike. Ultimately, the DJI Leo X1 and Leo X1 may herald a new chapter in DJI's drone strategy. The Leo X1 strengthens and modernizes the entry-level segment, offering simplicity and reliability for beginners and casual flyers. The Leo X1, on the other hand, challenges traditional assumptions about what a lightweight, high-feature drone can do, introducing possibilities that blur the line between consumer-friendly ease and professional-grade capabilities. As more official details emerge, it seems clear that DJI is quietly preparing its next major move. And the sub-250-gram drone market is about to become far more exciting, dynamic, and innovative than ever before. These developments suggest a bold vision from DJI. One path dedicated to predictable, premium quality with the Mini Pro series, and another path dedicated to exploration and innovation with the Leo X1. For drone enthusiasts, whether beginner or advanced, this could mean more choice, more cutting-edge technology, and a whole new level of excitement in the skies. It's not just about incremental upgrades anymore. DJI appears to be redefining what's possible for small drones, and for those who follow the market closely, the next few months are going to be fascinating. If even half of the rumored features hold true, the Leo X1 might not just compete with the Mini Pro. It could outshine it in areas like imaging, autonomous flight, and smart control features. DJI seems intent on creating a product that's both playful and powerful, offering advanced features without compromising portability or ease of use. Meanwhile, the Leo X1 reassures newcomers that flying a drone doesn't need to be complicated, keeping the entry-level experience approachable and enjoyable. The combination of these two new models could redefine DJI's lineup, appealing to a wider spectrum of users than ever before, from casual hobbyists to tech-forward creators. In essence, DJI is quietly experimenting, but history shows that's when the company often produces its most interesting innovations. The arrival of the Leo X1 and Leo X1 marks a potentially transformative moment for lightweight drones, promising to raise the bar for performance, creativity, and accessibility alike. The future of sub-250-gram drones looks not just bigger but smarter, more capable, and more exciting than anyone might have expected.